Hey, good morning, friends. Welcome back. So, what do we got? Holy moly, what the heck happened? What did you do to it? What'd you do to it? YouTube, you broke NASDAQ. Wow, ain't that something? We went and poked the previous week's high there and then just started tanking for Asia. That is wild stuff. That is hilarious. Well, let's do some investigating. Tough call. No, this one. There. Wow. That's hilarious. Well, I'm glad I got it over with quickly. So let's take a look at our 15-minute chart. So that was one of the targets for the day. We achieved it. New day opening gap right here at that upper quadrant. So just make sure we got that open. 769. That's it. Close. 25,800. That's it right there. Have that on your chart. Wow, look at that beauty. Wham. Right down to that double bottom. Remember I was saying that if it was going to drop, this is where I'd want it to go. And yeah, that's hilarious. It just fell. You guys need to understand how hilarious this is, okay? The people that were long and chasing that pump have been completely annihilated at a very, very unfavorable time. So the accumulation range here got a bunch of traders trapped below and above the market. When I was live and I was mentioning at 2 p.m. that I would want to see price action drop down first, this is where I wanted it to drop down to. If it was going to come and snap into people and then violently reprice higher. So right at 2 p.m., if you go back into the live, you'll see, and you can just keep scrolling until that says 2 p.m. It was right when I started it, basically. And I was mentioning I would have rather seen it come down first, but oh well, let's just go tag buy side. And if it wanted to accelerate, that I was going for this high here. But it didn't want to accelerate, so that's just kind of what we got. And this is partly the reason why, is because it went up first, so it was likely going to want to come and crash down here. So hilarious that it did it after hours. So I don't even know, there's only one profile left, and that means that tomorrow is going to be turbo low probability. So make sure if you're going to be trading tomorrow that it's obvious. I would like it to go back up and make the, well, my goodness. Okay, we got to do some investigating. So that's the top of the week so far. Okay. And that's the bearish order block on the weekly chart. And it's Wednesday. So we've hit the higher time frame premium array. Here, so we'll start our week here. We chopped out. So we've come up and hit the higher time frame premium array on Wednesday. We could snap right back up. There's a profile that says if we drop into a discount array, we could snap right back up. So let's investigate. And we will take our 20-day IPTA range. So the 20-day, it fell right to the upper quadrant. So this has been very influential. So that would be, what I'm gonna do is, I don't think it's gonna want to come down here. Okay, and it could, but it'll tell me it's gonna do it if it wants to. So I'm just gonna wipe this off the map. Okay, those candles don't exist. So now this is my premium here, and this is my discount. If it wants to drop down here, it's going to lose this, and it's going to snap to and through it very violently. Okay, so that's my discount array. If it wants to come here, this is what I'd be aiming for. That's assuming that this isn't the bottom. So if we lose this low here, tomorrow, I'm going to want to see it drop into here, and then Friday, freaking moonshot. Very viciously. That's one of the profiles that could be in play, and we could have Wednesday high of the week. So there's two profiles that could materialize. Thursday, they make another low tomorrow, or make another low on Thursday's trading candle, and then Friday just rip right back out of control. It would look like this actually, right here. And these days are off, but just imagine for a second that this is the candle we're on. Then Thursday make another low, and then Friday just snap out. Kind of like that. So if we're going to use this as our discount, yeah, if we start losing this and it just starts violently repricing, then I will consider something much more bearish going on. Start aiming for discount arrays. Okay, so I would like to see this hold, and if it doesn't, then yeah. But let's check out our monthly candles. We haven't done anything. So this is all right. I'm still aiming for previous month high. And I really, so taking that level here, it's the upper quadrant of this tail. So even though it looks really doomy, I'm not concerned. If, like I said, if we lose this, then I'll aim for consequent encroachment here. And then if we lose that, then yeah, then I'll be a completely offside. But I think we're going to get jiggy to the upside, at least the first quarter of next year at the very minimum. So yeah, that was definitely weird to come back into and see that it wanted to go down. Hope you guys are okay. Yeah, shout out Bellico, Staz, MVP, Absolutely. So yeah, you guys just relax tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is Thursdays. Exactly. So this is the trading candle, right? Yeah, Thursday. Sorry, I'm tired. I was up early. Um Tomorrow if we make this low and we get into here, have this specific low. Oops. No trade. What's going on? Wrong button, fool. So this low, have it on, and at just after opening bell tomorrow, if that gets taken, look for a pullback. Okay? Look for a little pullback. It'll when you're in the lower time frames, you'll see what I mean. So that's that low there. So tomorrow morning, if you take that, look for a little pullback, and if she wants to sink, let her. Because I would like to see us hold down here for the daily close and close down here, and then Friday just take off. Yeah, so Wednesday, yeah, that's what I was thinking. Wednesday hits the higher time frame, Thursday snaps into the higher time frame, and that's that green shaded area. Take this down, this candle here, maybe hit that sell side pool, and then just launch a big giant green god candle in everybody's face, because that's equal high territory now. And so, you know, if you're a retail, shoulder, head, right shoulder, but then you have equal highs. So what's going to win? The inverted head and shoulder or the double top or the equal highs? That's pretty sweet. So yeah, you guys keep it light, keep it real. Don't go hard tomorrow. That's what I'm trying to say. When you have big, giant, dynamic moves like this, don't go hard tomorrow, okay? We'll save it for Friday. Keep it real. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Be safe.